Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you? How's your what day was yesterday? Tuesday? Hello. Hello. Yesterday was okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. CPI today already delivered to my targets. All targets. I have 0 levels right now. Literally, I have no idea what I'm going to do. My final. I expect to see the drop today to this 4-hour fair value gap or the play out. So no plan right now. Just going to, I guess, see what is going on in real time. But it's okay. It's okay. Still feel like we have room to go lower. So maybe the retracement up and then move lower. It's kind of hard to believe in slow recovery right now. But the retracement up to go lower is amazing. So we will see. We will see. So where we can retrace. Maybe we can retrace to previous day low level right here. Right? So we have previous day low level as potential resistance so far. On 1 second chart, we can see, yeah, on 1 second chart, I can see lots of fair value gaps as well. Just, okay. I'm not going to look for fair value gaps. I'm going to look for key levels, probably. And key level right now is previous day low level, London low. So that can be potential resistance levels. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it so far. So maybe makes sense to wait for retracement and wait for continuation lower. Just once again, it's still hard to trust in slow recovery, probably. But retracement, yes, I'm totally fine with retracement. So previous day low level is 50% retracement, even like better. Okay, we are going to highlight right now OT. No, I don't know yet, so we'll see. Yeah, we will see. So if we make continuation lower, we will see probably weekly open, Monday low, and I'm not really sure yet, but we have equal lows on 15-minute chart right here. Just 2 key levels so far at this move down, 2 key levels and important levels. Conservative levels, right here, but retracement up preferably first. Just hard for me to short without retracement and still hard for me to believe in slow recovery. So this means new high of the day. At least for now. So we will see. No plan right now. Just let's see what market can. By the way, we have news at 10, right? So at 10 a.m. So I would like to be careful as well. Also, I need to charge my mouse. Okay. It's even better, so let's give it time to charge a little bit. Yeah, we have speaker at 10 exactly. So we will see what can happen at 10 a.m. Maybe I'm not going to trade before 10 a.m. because I feel like lots of people is going to be long, and the question if they're going to trap this and continue going lower or just really offer like slow recovery. So I don't know. We will see. What is your opinion? What do you want to see, guys? Okay, 588. It's like top of 15-minute fair value gap. So far it's inversion. So you also would like to see lower with fake move up. It just like right now makes sense, but the question of where it's going to be in validation, right? From what I can see, you have 1 minute inversion right here. Just no reason to switch on 15-minute chart, you know, guys, like it's just like huge sell on 15-minute chart, absolutely nothing. Like on 5-minute chart. On 5-minute chart, by the way, we have inversion as well. Okay, on 5-minute chart we have inversion, pretty much at the same price level. So what else? We have level right here. Like buy side liquidity, like buy stops, right? So that's going to be interesting what can happen. So yeah. It's still possible to see a move up. So I'm not going to say like it's not possible. Just I don't know. Okay, buy stops, what else? We still don't have 15-minute change in the state of delivery yet. Right? Actually, we do have it. But only on NQ. We don't have it on NES. You know, we got hourly sweep before CPI. Like right at CPI. So this move, you know, like still feel like I would like to see a bit lower. And we're still inside Monday range, by the way. Yeah, we will see. So I'm not going to predict something. Daily open is based on 6 p.m. open. So just open daily chart, highlight open of the daily candle. That's pretty much it. 6 p.m. open on any time frame, by the way. It's going to be the same, right? Yeah, I mean, move lower where we can actually drop. We have weekly open, Sunday open right here, and we have Monday low. So since inside Monday range, preferable to leave this Monday range. So if it's going to be slow recovery, obviously we're going to aim for Monday high. But right now let's wait, I guess. On team in the chat, we also have an inversion. By the way, same inversions. So at the open, you know, maybe like this, maybe. So we have for our distribution level can be resistance as well. Lines up with 50% of this retracement with previous day low level. Like this. Maybe like this. It doesn't really sound bad. Right? So today, if I cannot see like high quality setup, I'm not going to trade at all. Maybe PM, but I don't know, like, since I don't have bias right now, so maybe now isn't to even risk something. We will see. So maybe silver bullet will offer something. I don't know. Mm-hmm. So you want to tell me I highlighted this wrong? Yeah, totally possible. Let me see. Maybe 6 p.m. is different with M and Q. My open is correct. Probably M and Q has different level, which is also fine. So you can have this in your chart. It's like 2 points difference. Probably highlighted this on M and Q. Seems like. 1 hour candle from Sunday open. We retrace more than 50% of that candle. Yeah, maybe. On 5. I mean, yeah, we do have it, but it's just still hard to trust anything. They just state map level, so yeah, of course. You need daily levels. Okay, let's highlight daily levels. Of course, it's not a problem. Your daily levels right here. I can actually make it bigger if you would like. So here's your daily levels. Daily open lines up with 4 open. I mean, like, a bit off. Why? Give me 1 second. I'm going to figure this out right now. Ah, okay, never mind. Okay, very way below manipulation level, we took distribution level. So retracement back to levels that I highlighted before makes sense, right? So this means this should offer some, should like, I guess, like this. Maybe not the deep retracement, maybe, I don't know. But retracement up makes sense, right? I believe. What do you think? Make sense? Doesn't make sense? We'll see. Retracement to the first presented verbal. Yeah, by the way, maybe. It should work. Unless they want to just go up without any retracement right at the open, like couple of huge candles on low time frame. Also possible. So we will see. We'll see. Back on 1 minute chart right now. Oh, market is open, by the way. I just realized this. I was like, maybe we still have time, but it's already 9:42. I just realized it. Because nothing happened. Okay, still same plan, so nothing changed. We have 15-minute untapped fair value gap. Oh, that's old one. It's from here. See this? It's already tapped for. It's just 15-minute fair value gap. I can change for you. Yeah. I was like, okay. Oops. Let's close the 15-minute fair value gap again. So far, pretty much trying to respect this, right? We're looking for this retracement, at least right now. Wake up. Yeah. I mean, I could sleep better than like today. Yeah. You got my levels with retracement, so probably daily manipulation level retracement, London low, maybe reject from previous day low level. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Reject like retracement, maybe. Maybe. What else happened? Nothing. Have you seen a trace from 50% of new week opening gap? Yeah, that's amazing. It's okay. It's okay. So where's our first presented fair value gap? Right here? Yeah. Yes, right here. Yeah, somewhere near 700 will be amazing. Maybe. I will be fine even with daily open retest. But it was straight move up right at the open. So, but before this, we got 2-minute inversion, 1-minute inversion, 5-minute inversion. So it was okay. Yeah, previous day low level can be resistance for us. Yes, it can. Don't really include volume imbalances. You know, lots of levels on my chart. I hate it to have lots of levels on my chart. I'm trying to keep this simple. So you said we have a couple of volume imbalances. That's okay. Just lots of PD rays. I don't really need this, right? So 7 is 50% of 15-minute per value gap. Yeah, it's okay. So right now we're looking for if it may break above previous day low level. I don't know yet. So London loaded test, but kind of not going to lie. I kind of like that daily open lines up with New York midnight open. Still, I'm not going to lie. Still feel like this is fake move up. Just right now. I can be wrong. Just I feel like this. Right? The volume imbalance inside fair value gap only makes the fair value larger. Okay. It's not okay. I mean, yes, just weak right now. It's increased strong right now, but not going to lie. If, for example, you decided to ignore inversion fair value gap, like before market open, most likely, not most likely, we did not have any other opportunities. That's it. You know, okay, why it's like resistance for me, London low, previous day low level, since it's already was taken. Normally, like most of the time, guys, my question, when we break support, this support becomes what? Like according to the books. Support broken right now, it is resistance, exactly. If resistance broken, this is going to be support, right? It's like just logic. And since previous day low level was support, right? So right now it can be resistance. London low was support, right now it can be resistance. Like key level. I hope it makes sense. Let's keep it simple, so we don't need to overcomplicate something. Ask Crystal Ball. Yeah, I will ask a little bit later. Standard deviation. Oh, by the way, thank you for reminding me. Let's highlight standard deviation. So we got sweep. Forgot about standard deviations at all. Yeah, so far we inside 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range. No. I did not trade before market open. I saw like this move down. My TP was 668, but I did not trade this. I'm not going to trade news. And even cannot recommend to trade news. Since I'm not confident with my bias, if it's going to just be like move up, like slow recovery, probably I'm not going to execute at all today. Because at this point, most likely, we will have only like 2 opportunities to enter this long. Long at this inversion and long maybe a silver bullet, probably. I know, we will see. Yeah, I read news about Upstep. It's kind of not going to comment this. Yeah, data high. Forgot to highlight this as well. You like 64. Yeah, it's okay. It lines up with this distribution level at 66.25. Yeah. I would like to see slightly higher on NQ still. So far, we kind of stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5. And I guess lots of people was able to watch my video about standard deviation. Normally, if it wants to be like delivered to 4 standard deviation from the range between 2 and 2.5, we want to trace down to the range between 1 and 1.5. Specific, as you can see, we want to have fair value gap at this range. And then, yes, we have a couple of fair value gaps. And then if it's going to be like, once again, delivered to 4 standard deviation, it's going to be quick reversal to 4 standard deviation. I did not take any trades today yet. Like, I even did not connect my accounts yet. Honestly, at this point, yeah, I'm fine after yesterday. At this point, 4 standard deviation lights up with New York midnight open, daily open, full hour open. It's like premium. It doesn't really look bad. Maybe a bit deep retracement, but still. I'm from Belarus. Have you ever seen training? What is this? No, probably no. I don't know. Just tell me what is this, maybe. I don't know. So yes, also moving to previous day low level right now. I'm going to probably move this. Yeah, we have data high right here. Maybe we can try to scalp from the range between 1 and 1.5 if it's going to offer fair value gap with order block and displacement. We can try to long without retracement. Like right from the open, we just moved all the way up so far. Data high 100%. Never say 100% because you cannot know for sure. You can say like 99%. Nothing is guaranteed. Okay. Data high, CPI high right here, 850. $850, exactly like $850. Yeah, exactly. Market is. But if you're going to combine market is a scam, magnets, what else? What else, guys? Magnets, market is a scam. What else? We have something else. Arrows, exactly. So it's going to be like solid. But right now, let's see it. I'm going to sit on my head. Lots of people want to see data high. It's okay. Everything's possible. Just, guys, look at this 2-minute chart right here. It's 2-minute chart right here. Just like to compare. Here's 1-minute chart. Here's 2-minute chart. See this? Like 0 retracement on this move up. 0. Exactly. Yeah. Only me can say like 100%. Even like more, I can say 101%. Exactly. So guys, you don't have this. So you cannot say it's so heavy, but you cannot say like 100% because you don't have this. If you have this, probably you can try. But without this, don't even try. So far, kind of stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5, already above previous day low level, while ES below this. I still would like to see previous day low level retest on ES, I guess. I guess Trump is not going to speak today, but he can tweet something, so check Twitter, guys. So we have news in 5 minutes, exactly. It's going to be speaker. Maybe it will retrace. Maybe it will reverse. That's a great question. Rejection from 50% of ADR. Okay. So while we are waiting for something to happen, I'm going to highlight this range right here, 616, and so I will call this retracement area. Yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on 4 levels. Don't worry. Sell, buy. I don't know. Like, if you see setup, take it. If you cannot see setup, but just trying to predict something, don't take it. RTA chart, of course. It's huge gap, right? By the way, thank you for reminding me because we are going to check SPX right now. Oh, okay. That's interesting. How can I duplicate this to show you? Yeah, I can show you. So look at this SPX chart. So yesterday we respected my key level, 15 BPR, and went all the way down to my another key level, sell stops. So this retracement is okay then at this point, like another confirmation for us. I'm going to keep 0 points. I'm going to remove this. Yeah. This gap still open from Monday. So we are looking for possible retracement to 50% and 25%. What I would like to do, I probably would like to set alert. Time distortion, not really. No, I wouldn't say like it's time distortion. Okay, we have news in 2 minutes. Drop. If it wants to retrace to this retracement area, I'm going to remove this arrow for now. So in order to be bullish, preferably it should retrace right here to this retracement area, but if it wants to be bullish, it should respect this. We got OB right here. We got 50% of this OB right here. 668.25. Also, you tested previous day low level again. You're trying to scalp right now. Can be a little bit risky. Yeah, probably. So, just trade with small size. No reason to force any trades right now. especially like 1 minute before news. So we have, it's 1 minute chart. As you can see, we have one fair value gap right here, another fair value gap right here. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this fair value gap. So I'm going to, see these fair value gaps. I cannot like say for sure. Don't hate. I never hate people. Come on. I cannot say for sure we can respect these fair value gaps because I don't know, but let's see. Long from 512. 512. You long from this from okay, I got it. So far kind of trying to hold previous day low level. For second stage of redistribution, the accumulation on NQ, we don't actually need to have confirmation on yes. It just needs to be in sync, I would say. Okay, it's 10 a.m., guys. Let's be careful. This is what I can say, guys. Once again, if it wants to be like retracement, I will look for the retracement to this gray box, I guess. I will accept a bit lower, but not like, I wouldn't say like invalidation is going to be, I would say invalidation is going to be below this level for any longs. 590.50. Why? It's like 50% of 1 minute OB. That's it. CRT always playing the market. Okay. 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 Okay, possibility spot on 1 minute on 1 hour chart. We got lots of sweeps of buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. I wouldn't say like it makes sense to look for hourly T spot, but if you switch on 5 minute chart right now and look at this hourly sweep, makes sense to retrace lower back to 50% of previous candle range and if it may offer inversion fair value gap somewhere right here, somewhere, it can continue going higher probably. Yes. To 700, what was level right? Oh, 700 already tested. Okay, let's see. So we got also levels right here, right? We got 4 hour levels, new 4 hour levels. Which is good for us because it may offer retracement, right? So we still, right now, we're inside retracement area. I'd like to check something. Give me 1 second, please. No, any SMT. Still nothing. A reverse from 1 hour fair value gap, bottom of that fair value gap to the tick. Okay. Yeah, you're right. It's still untapped fair value gap. Yeah, let's be patient right now. Absolutely zero reason to force any trades, at least for me. Once again, I would say I'm bullish as long as we're above 50% of this OB. Not really like bullish, but consider slightly higher. We got the action from 2 and 2.5 so far. We don't have 5 minute change in the state of delivery yet, but it can be right here. At this point, will it make sense to wait for twin setup? I don't know. Cannot say for sure. 5 minute change in the state of delivery. It's not 5-minute change in the state of delivery yet, so. Oops. All in shorts, okay. Did you say you're 17? I'm 15. So the tracement area right here, 951 is inversion fair value gap. That's too high, probably. For deviations, okay, I'm going to show you real quick while we are waiting. For manipulation leg, right? That's your question. Right here. You're 15. And imagine how many people will believe in this. So here's manipulation leg projections. Sell, if you see short setup, once again, you can take it. I cannot say like, I'm not in short right now, so it's not short for me yet. We have order block inside fair value gap. Okay. You mean unicorn for short? Buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't know. Do whatever you want, guys. I cannot give you advices. When I'm short, I'm going to show you I'm in short. So that's my idea. I took this trade. Stop it. Not everyone understands you're trying to joke right here. Okay. For silver bullet, I see nothing still. It's not projections what we are looking for. So retracement from this range so far, we still kind of stuck at the range between 1 and 1.5. You just follow me. Don't follow me. Just no reason to copy my trades. I mean, it's your own risk. If you want to do this, it's up to you. So I never can guarantee the profit. Anyway, as soon as finishes TM, no matter what is going to happen, it's going to deliver to our target. I checked already. many times. So it's about to retrace to this. Once again, once we can lose this, if we can lose this, probably it's going to be bearish. But once again, right now, I cannot see any good entry so far. Not going to lie, perfect reaction from the range between 2 and 2.5. So already got 1 minute change in the state of delivery. Let's. Oops. Here's opposite levels. Yeah, so far trying to stay above 50%, as you can see, never close below, I mean, barely close below the tracement area right here, which is like nothing. You lost your car. Which car? From, let me see, that car that you sent me this morning? You lost this car? You should keep in mind, this, you have like, this car is, how many cars left in this world? Like you said, 84 cars left in this world, so be careful risking this car. $84, yeah. Now, the question. We got 2-minute fair value gap right here. If it wants to be inversion, can we scalp at this point? So we expected this fair value gap so far. It's time for silver bullet. So I don't know, like, it's so tricky right now. So tricky. I don't know. We'll stay away so far. If not perfect setup, high probability setup, no point to trade. Hear that. Okay. I would say if it may lose 50% of this OB, so we got 5-minute change in the state of delivery, and if it really wants to be bearish at this point, we are going to wait. Makes sense to wait for twin setup. So preferably to break below 50% at this point, somewhere right here. I don't know where exactly. After this, to draw OT, retrace right here, back to 5-minute change in the state of delivery, and over 1-minute OB. At this point, it's going to be smart money reversal. I will trust this smart money reversal at least. We have big difference in stat map. What's the difference? Where's people who said like 100% data high guaranteed? I mean, still possible, but not like 100%. I told you, like, never say like 100%. Never say 100%. I know, don't worry. Today, 99% better. See, like, never say 100%. This retracement wasn't bad. Wants to see a bit higher, but I would say it's okay. Say 83. Okay. Why 83? Why? Why not like 85? 82, 79, maybe 91. Standard deviation? Of course. Of course. 82. Yeah, much better. Thank you. Giveaway time. On Friday, I will give away Elite Collection. 3 winners is going to get lifetime access to Elite Collection, so you will be able to have lots of indicators for free. And Maybe, not sure exactly. I'm going to give away tomorrow one TradingView and on Monday my funded futures. Yeah. Your accent is funny. Of course, I know. I know. Trying to respect 1 minute fair value gap so far. My only concern was this move right here. Kind of wanted to see slightly higher to this fair value gap. But let's see how we can respect this. Okay, time to connect accounts. Preferably, guys, I'm not going to lie. This is this. Not going to lie. That's preferable to see. So basically, it will retest 5-minute change in the state of delivery. What else? Maybe right here. But this literally equal highs right now. Agree with me? Who is agree with me? It just went higher, so I don't want to see this fair value gap. We just inverted this. Oh my god, that's so interesting right now. It's becoming so interesting right now. By the way, range not that big. We just took this equal highs. That's because of my arrow, I told you. My arrow's like doing magic normally. So kind of, I would like to see something like this. They test a 5-minute change in the state of delivery for open. It kind of looks like 2-minute model right now with immediate reaction. So I like that this for open right hand side 5-minute change in the state of delivery. What do you think? It's okay. Data high. Never say 100%. Never ever say 100%. No, I'm not on trade. It's just logic, not trades yet. So don't worry. Once I'm in, I'm going to show you immediately. Don't worry. It's just like logically, right? So no reason to drop right here. Since we have 5-minute change in the state of delivery, and even if it wants to be bullish, right? I want my first idea. If it wants to be bullish, it should retest 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Because who cares about 1-minute chart? Who cares? No one cares about 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. But on 5-minute chart, at least something. We have 5-minute change in the state of delivery, which is absolutely great. And if you just go right here, we never ever closed below this level right here. Right now, it's tricky. So I knew CPI is going to hit my daily target, and I'm going to sit on my hands until the end of the day probably. Right now, I'm looking for the retracement still higher. Like, if you open 1 hour chart, you see we have huge fair value gap there. And 750, 740 retracement is only what makes sense, probably. Yeah, I mean, 1 minute chart, nothing wrong with execution on 1 minute chart. You can, I execute on 1 minute chart, but I'm telling about analysis on 1 minute chart. You cannot blindly trust 1 minute chart without analysis, for example, on 5 minute chart. Most of my trades based on, for example, ICV inside 5 minute PD ray, 15 minute PD ray, and only at this point I'm going to execute on 1 minute chart. Simply execute on 1 minute chart and analyze on 1 minute chart. You got it. Like, maybe not that smart. Minute break. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I mean, execution on 1 minute chart is okay. Simply analyzing 1 minute chart without looking on, at least on 5 minute chart is not okay. In my opinion. Make sense? I hope it makes sense. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You got what I... 5 minute change in the state of activity, it's right here. This candle from 950. So at this point, that's why I said we are going to, we are going to look for, move something like this, but preferably, guys, if we may do this, it's even better. Maybe even 740, 774. I'm happy I can help people. Honestly, so happy with this. So once again, look at this right here. I said I'm going to validate my bullish idea if you can close below 50%. Right here, we simply swap this level. So I cannot like be bearish at this point. When I saw like it formed fair value gap right here, but I saw also like it never ever closed below this level. It's like red flag for shorts. Sometimes, guys, you need to use your logic, your brain, not any concepts, to understand where market needs to go. Logic, our best helper. Not Daniel, it was Nathan. Nathan is okay. For not found. Good joke. So, my best advice, guys, use your brain and your logic when you're trying to trade. It really helps a lot. Once I'm in, guys, nothing to hide. I'm going to show you, like, within a couple of seconds, I'm in. I'm going to execute together with you. I'm not in right now. No. This setup was offered simply based on logic. Key levels. You don't need to even understand, like, ICT concept or any other strategies to understands that it doesn't really make sense to drop from here. Oh, you can see the future? Okay. Okay, you can see the future. Perfect. Mm-hmm. 6:14. You use my signals? London low taken. Remember what I said before? London low is potential. Tanya took short. I mean, it's okay. No one going to blame her for her analysis, right? It's okay. From what level did she short? From what level? Now you use my signal. I know. 590, it was 1 minute, 50% of 1 minute OB. I just said, like, I never care what people will tell me about my analysis. Even if like 99% of people is going to short, I will long. Why? Because I want to trust my analysis. It's simple. Yesterday, how many people told me like I'm wrong with my short? And yesterday short was the only one good move, guys. Know this. Only one good move was yesterday. That short. See this? See what happened right after this absolutely ugly consolidation. We shorted from somewhere from here, and only one good move was this short. And how many people told me like it's going to move up? Lots of people. Never listen to other people. Just like never ever. You was one of... Chris, are you serious? You didn't believe in me? Surprised to see this from you. You listen. I'm kidding, guys, just funny. Let's see, we still have opportunities to trade. So far, absolutely. Guys, not what happened on, yes, previous day low taken. If you don't mind, I'm going to remove this for now. Once I finish the stream, like always, once I finish the stream, it's going to like deliver us to our targets. Why? Because I don't know why. Because market makers watching our streams. I don't have any other explanations of these moves than finish, please. So far, absolutely solid reaction from previous day low level and London low. As I said before, previous day low level and London low, my key levels, 2 key levels. And it's play out. Previous day low taken on NQ, but when it must be taken on both. We cannot say we're looking for SMT. At this point, since we broke below previous day low level before market open, we anticipate to get retracement, RTH test to previous day low level, and blah blah blah. You got it. You got it. So yeah, I would say if it wants to reverse, like if it wants to reverse right now, I will accept this. It will be okay. By the way, guys, you have to listen to me. Yesterday I decided to try Dubai chocolate. I went to store, got this is my phone. So this chocolate was something like this, size of this phone. I spent $20 on this, size of this chocolate, and like half of this phone, right? Like this. I was so excited to try this. I was like, it's time to try. And I was like, it was ugly. It was horrible. $20, yeah. No, I live in Florida, so it was like homemade. I was like, I expected something else. I cannot say like I wasted my money on this. I offered this to my husband. He said, it's okay. But not worth it. Not worth it. But at least, I wanted to try. I decided to drive 30 minutes to get this. 30 minutes back. Played homemade chocolate. So it wasn't perfect. How was it? It wasn't bad. You got this from Dubai. Not worse. Yeah, it's like it was too sweet, extremely sweet. Yeah, yesterday I was in parking, like wants to go home after I got chocolate. I was like, okay, Racket. Oh, hello, Racket, like it, like normal day in Central Florida. And then went to go to car and decide to go home. It's like normal day, like you go outside, you see like you hear some noise. It's so loud. You just look in the sky and the rocket is flying. Like it was funny. Yeah, Elon Musk. Yeah, exactly. So rocket launch is like every 2-3 days right here. It's pretty loud, but it's funny to see like I remember last time I was looking at rocket launch when it was Saturday. Yesterday, I guess last time when I was streaming, I was like, okay, I hear it. It was amazing, guys. Where is my... I'm going to show you. So this from it was from yesterday. Wasn't that close, right? It was from yesterday. But this one was from I guess I cannot show you like this. Okay, I'm going to just zoom. It was from Saturday, guys. See this? 6 miles away. Let me show you from the very beginning. It's 6 miles away. That's absolutely amazing. This market today, without the trace at all. And it's funny to realize you cannot hear immediately the rocket launch. You can hear the noise, like it's pretty loud. I would say like 30, 40 seconds after the launch. So when I see, you will see lots of, give me 1 second, you will see this. Like right now. After this, you can hear it. Before this, it's hard to hear this. So it was amazing. Cat's thirsty. You know, on Saturday it was huge line, 50 minutes to get. It was bus tour, so it's like 15 minutes away from Kennedy Space Center. It was 15 minutes line for this bus. Then like 60 minutes back. I was with 2 kids without my husband, and I said like, I don't know how many times I already said that. I said it was my like last trip with them. Never ever again. It's just hard. It's just hard to be with kids. They cannot stay like more than 10 minutes, and we had to stay for 50 minutes. Yeah, I was like, I don't know these kids. I don't know what they're trying to do. It's not my kids. Someone lost kids. Guys, who lost kids? 2 crazy kids right here. I don't know them. It's not mine. My kids speak English, so they don't have accent. Meanwhile, kids have same accent. Yeah, it was bus tour, so you have to wait in a huge line to go on bus. So you need to drive 15-20 minutes to Launchpad. It's like 6 miles away. Then it's huge line back to the same bus. Okay, question. Will we reach first standard deviation? Time to focus. Wait in America. Oh my god. Guys, you're so funny. My kids have American names. It's like one is Daniel, another is Nathan, so what is 50%? It's mean threshold of 1 minute OB. Looking for first standard deviation taken. They don't have Russian names, you know, it's just like they were born in US, like it's stupid to give them Russian names because American cannot pronounce them. So it's simply Daniel, simply Nathan, that's it. So looks like SPX reached 25% as we said before. So sell off. Right now, kind of hard to talk about sell off. It's still pretty bullish, so we need to have invalidation at least on 5-minute chart. If it may offer 5-minute change in the state of delivery, then maybe we can talk about potential reversal again. But right now, I cannot say this. So I'm looking for possible daily open once again. So it's 794, 70 points away so far. For our immediate rebalance. Yeah, I see this, by the way, yeah. Okay, forced decision taken. Right to force and deviation. So this amazing. I'm looking right now at Ninja Trader and looking for on top step. It looks like, I see delay somewhere. Because right now we have like 2 points difference between MNQ and NQ. Interesting. Okay, above previous day low level, forced deviation taken, power still speaking. Okay. I'm not talking about data high yet. Daily open is 40 points away so far. Right here, hard to see. Looking for this level. Maybe. Okay, from this morning, I expect to get the tracing back to 7. Let me see what level I want to. 750, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it was 750. Yeah, I will wait for the trace to 750 maybe, but honestly, hard to say. So 750 right now. We don't really have any SMT so far. But I believe if we may break below this level right here, it may drop. Midnight 30-minute range standard deviation. If you don't mind, can you please send me a screenshot of these deviations on Twitter so I will check? So sounds interesting. So 590 is mean threshold of 1 minute OB. If someone can send me on Twitter this midnight range, standard deviation is going to... It sounds interesting. If someone can send me, please send me. Please send me this. I will try to study this. Looks like good confirmation. My Twitter right here, so... If you can send me this, I will be happy. SMS. Who just sold? Oh, like crazy. So, it's like, it's a stock. I was like, maybe it's like streamer. But yeah, I see this. By the way, interesting sell off on 50. Look at this 15-minute candle, crazy. Guys, who can explain why long was valid? I don't want to repeat this again, but who can say? Who remember? You will send me something. Okay. Who can explain to me what was the reason for long from here? Don't tell me like 2-minute inversion. Yeah, it was, but not this one. Who can say please? Who can tell me? Me. Okay. You say in terms of order flow. I am interested in terms of ICT. Changing the state of delivery OT. Yes, exactly. This 2-minute inversion as well. Yeah. We got 5-minute fair value gap, we got OT, we got 5-minute change in the state of delivery, we got 1-minute OB. Basically, it was twins to upside. That's because of order flow. I told you, like, you're going to explain this in terms of this season. Of course. Of course. Not surprised anymore. So basically, change from MMSM to MMBM called Smart Money Reversal. So another name. So once again, below a level right here, there's a chance, I'm not sure yet, so we will see. There's a chance to retrace back down. If not right here, what you have on 1 minute chart. Where's my 1 minute chart? I see volatility right now, by the way. You know how actually I can see if you have volatility or not? I see this, so it's moving fast, like quickly. This means we have volatility because normally it doesn't move like this. See how fast it is right now? So normally it doesn't move like this. The trade ICT 2022 model, yeah, I mean, it's like main model that we need to trade. Markets, I mean, right here, it can be potential if it wants to offer market structure shift with change in the state of delivery. We are going to aim for internal liquidity level, which is right here. Only. We have small 2-minute inversion. Let's wait for 2-minute market structure shift. So guys picking, yes, still, right? 2-minute inverted. Yeah, I see this, guys. I see. Kind of would like to see market structure shift, then move that I highlighted on your chart. Make sense? Make sense? I hope so. So can we say right now we have market structure shift? Who can say? Is it market structure shift right now? Yes, no? Who knows? Do we have market structure shift? Who can say? Yes, no? I don't know. Not yet. Exactly. Good job, guys. No, we don't have it. No. Market features now. Yeah. Right now, no. So let's see. This should play out, in my humble opinion, if we get market structure shift to aim for, if not this liquidity level right here, but for internal level right here. Now, yes, not yet. I can say this is like protected low right here, but preferably I would like, let's see if we break below this protected low. So far, it's not market structure shift. See this? We don't have the closure yet. We have nothing. Stat map. See where we closed, guys. That's ridiculous. But where we closed right now, can you see this? We don't have market structure shift. Bearish breaker block. Yeah. So far, trying to dispect this. Yes. Give me 1 second. I'm going to see if it may offer market structure shift at this point. 40 point stop loss. Oh, 50 point stop loss. Oh. Well, Looking for the action lower right here. Kind of may try this. What was the problem to close right here? We could try this before. Scammers. Scam. 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Not yet, by the way. BPR, lower. Yeah, I mean, we can aim for an internal range liquidity level. I mean, obviously, it can go lower to sell side liquidity right here or right here. But let's see. Need to get the closure. We swept this low so far. Right now, we got the closure. So if it wants to be a reversal, right, what we want to have? We want to have retracement to 50% right here, maybe the test of this manipulation level, inversion right here, and then probably sell off to this level right here. At least it can offer better risk reward trade, I believe, right? Overall makes sense to retrace lower again. So we already took my key levels, we already took first standard deviation, by the way. First standard deviation should give us reaction. Let's see. So for this, I will consider this as high quality. If you made a trace back to OT, somewhere right here, and short from this OT. So between 50 and 70.5. 79 as well. Let's see. At this point, I will consider this as high quality. Right now, it's not really bad, but not best in terms of risk reward, I believe. What guys can you see right now? Maybe I'm missing something. Activation fee. I guess so. So yeah, I will once again, I will consider this as high quality potential short. Let me delete some levels from here. I will consider this as high quality. Only in case we can retrace to OT at least 50% and displace immediately. At this point, I will put my stop loss near 50% of this week. Yeah. Because right now, it doesn't really look bad, just not best in terms of risk reward, I believe. We'll consider high quality once again if you just joined. If we see reaction from this OT, I can call this like OT box right here. Only right here, I will consider this as high quality. Above this level, not really. Yes, left London low. Yeah, that's a good point, by the way. That's why we're looking for a high quality. We don't want to blindly press sell button because we got what we got. Market structure shift. What else? Nothing. 1 minute. I mean, I don't really care about inversion at this point. I do care about how we can respect premium array in this small leg down. I hope it makes sense. So we will see right now. 15-minute will be 677. Somewhere right here. Okay. So once again, let's see how we can respect OT. And I need to charge my phone. Once again, I will try to trade. I will give it a chance only if we can respect OT with displacement. I will put my stop at this point above 50% of this week. I mean, I'm going to execute. I will show you. Right now, let's see. Let's wait. Yeah, I highlighted this 2-minute inversion. See this red box right here? It still means nothing, so... I mean, yeah, inversion, that's it. Just trade with the trend, right? We cannot blindly, execute every single inversion because it's inversion. Can you turn this on yet? So far we have, by the way, look at this. We have SMT between ES and NQ. So this big red box on my chart, data highs. I mean, okay. Everything is possible. I'm not going to say like, no, we are not going to reach this. Everything is possible. I cannot see the future. Even like my heavy crystal ball cannot say for sure right now. Yeah, we got minor SMT so far. Guys, maybe just me. I mentioned this a couple of months ago. I'm pretty much perfect in trading, like in shorting market. So it's much easier for me to short for some reason than long. And I realized we have this kind of chart. Like we actually just can invert scale. And if it's hard for you to see, for example, like long opportunity, you can just invert this. So my question, would you long right now? At this point, this means we are going to short. Ignore the color right here. Sometimes it's just easier to see. For example, if you're good in shorts in the market, it's hard to see long setups. But right now, if you're good, for example, long the market, can you say like, would you long from this range where we are right now? So yeah, if, for example, I would like to long, this means we want to short at this point. At this point, we got sweep. Just guys, think about these colors in opposite. So it must be like green colors, it must be black colors. What else? Now I have a couple of questions about the long. The long right now doesn't it look good? See, I don't really like long opportunity yet. Maybe I would like to see one deeper retracement down right here. See how different it is, right? It looks completely different. So, but we have exactly the same chart. We just inverted. So just interesting. So we got this red box. So basically this OT, but like just looking at this, it's so hard for me to say like, I would long right now. Yet. Funny. So absolutely amazing tool for people like me. I would say like it could be tricky for me right now to long. Not confident with this yet. I would wait probably for deeper retracement. Seems like, yeah, kind of interesting. How to invert? You can see this icon right here. Just go right here and you will find invert the scale or use Alt I. I'm just not going. I am bad in bullish market. I am good in bearish market. So I don't know why, how it works. But if I would like to invert, just a little bit tricky right now to long long right here. Just a bit tricky yet. To long right here. At this point, we want to short. Makes sense to maybe wait for deeper retracement if it wants to be long. Just once again, agree with me? Right click. Where? I'm blind. It's just funny. I just wanted to share with you guys. That is funny. $15-minute variable gap. I mean, no, I'm not in. We just discussed how it looks. Just from what I can see, kind of hard to probably long. Yeah, guys, I usually show immediately my trade. Like once I enter it, I show immediately. So far, trying to respect 50%. So basically trying to respect this box. Hmm. Where is it? At any point, it's like, nope. Not high quality yet. Going to stay away from shorting. Once again, not enough information to short. As I said, I would like to see deeper retracement at this point. Once again, if I would like to invert, just no form on, not going to try to chase. Guys, just think about this. Right now doesn't it look perfect just like right now. Too short or long. Yet. Yeah. Let's wait a bit more. Okay, I follow you. No FOMO, so. But not going to lie, long, this move up was amazing. You made $25 on covers. How do you invert the chart? Just gear icon right here, invert scale, or I cannot see, like Alt I. Yeah, it works. Right click. Oh yeah, much better, easier. Just once again, Alt I. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely amazing tool in TradingView for people like me. I find out. I found out about this a couple of months ago. It was like, oh my god, it helps. It helps me a lot for people like me. So on, that's 1 minute chart, right? I'm going to switch on 1 minute chart right now. We are not going to miss the entry. We are going to use high quality stuff. This means we are going to take it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Have you gone to camping yet? No, never. This weekend? Never tried. Yeah, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Oh, God. If I'm not blind, because actually I can, we have SMT? No, not really. We have SMT. I'm like, I cannot see this. Feels like. SMT 5-second charts. You know, when I was trying to pass 20 accounts at the same time, I don't know why it was so hard for me. So it was much easier for me to pass account like 5 accounts and another 5 accounts, another 4 accounts. It's like a psychological issue. But when I execute, like I try to not look at my profit, because it's also hard. For me, it's much easier to trade like 5 accounts at the same time. I don't know why it's so hard to trade 20 accounts at the same time. Interesting, but it's hard. So I have same psychological problem. So we got changed the state of delivery after minor SMT. So far, trying to inspect OT. We got displacement. We got. I'm not in. I'm just like trying to discuss this trade with myself. So we got displacement right here with this OB. Trying to focus right now. Not in this trade. So far, what I can see, it's 11. So we got displacement from this order block. We got minor SMT. Not comfortable right now. Hmm. From one side, I like it since we got displacement, so it's my another option to trade. OB, displacement, like amazing. Even minor SMT, we already took London low. Even OT right here, it doesn't really look bad. But I'm thinking about time of the day. Maybe it's a little bit late set up already. I don't know. But at any point, no reason to put stop loss at 50%. It must be above London low, I believe. Tricky. Yeah, probably. Let's forward as is. Not comfortable. This long was even like more obvious than this short right now. It was just obvious. It's not that obvious yet right here. Yeah, I probably try to stay away. I'm not really comfortable right now with shorting this yet. Okay, you will see once I'm in. So if I decide to execute, you will see this. Not really comfortable yet. Oh, it's already even like alarm. Like, Dasha, stop trading for today. You did well at any point. You did well today. Good job, Dasha. Just 11:11. You need to stop. Okay, one more minute and probably I will be done. It doesn't really look bad. I'm not going to lie. Just feel like it might be front time of the day. But still, doesn't look bad. Agree, guys? Yes, it's dropping as well. You can see the target, 616. 616 is target. To be more specific, 616.50. It's like a target. For one tick. So sorry. But guys, I noticed it's funny. When we have like a little shit price action, I'm queen in trading this price, a kind of price action. When we have like textbook price action, for me, it's extremely hard to trade. I don't know why, but when we have not perfect, ugly, I'm like queen. Perfect entries, perfect analysis, like normally. It's so funny. Like when people take lots of losses, I mean, I take a winner. When people have like absolutely amazing winner, I have loss because I'm queen in trading shit price action. Then people like trying to ask me, why you took this straight? I mean, like, I don't know. That's because of straight price action. Hello. That's my world. world. I don't know how it works. I don't follow any signals. You know, guys, that's why I'm not part of any groups at all in Discord. Why? Because when people see textbooks at A plus millions plus a setup, for me it's like losing setup. Like I see this like, what? I would never take this. I mean, if I decide to take this, it's going to be lost by default. But when we have like shit price action, hello. What about to have perfect trade, Dasha? So that's me. See, I guess lots of people took loss today. I don't know what kind of loss it was. But since today wasn't perfect, we call two winners with two winners. Why? Because today wasn't perfect. It was cherry price action. We got two winners. It's not winner yet, but it should, I believe. At least like was it like 25 points in profit. See, guys, you're having so much fun with me. Anyway, it's like same Daria Dasha. It's same. It just I know it's like full name Daria, but Dasha is like short version or something like this. So let's. Okay, like guys, what do you think? Is going to drop right now or just go all the way up? I don't know, like to data high from previous day low level. Any bets? Drop hard to our TP because it's shit price action. Like it must reach TP at this point, or it's going to just reverse from previous day low level. At least to New York midnight open. Midnight New York open lines up is daily open. Let's see. Let's see. I already did FX replay, but I will try to do again. Not this week, because for this week we already have some plans for giveaway. For the next week, I need to maybe TradeZella, which is, by the way, absolutely amazing tool. Can we get to the first presented fair value gap? Everything is possible. Don't aim for big levels when we inside consolidation. Aim for internal levels. For example, like here. Something like this, you know? Well, guys, any other questions to me? Overall, happy with my reading today. Amazing shit price action. Any questions to me, guys? Maybe giveaway not today. It's going to be. I believe it's going to be one tomorrow. On Friday, I'm going to do perfect giveaway. I'm going to give away 3 elite collection in like access to 3 elite collection indicators. You will have lifetime subscription, so it's going to be forever. not just like for 1 month or something like this. Fear to execute. Just execute. Trust me. Loss or win, you know the problem. You don't want to trust your model. You have fear to execute. Why? Because you don't want to trust your model. Or, for example, it can be tricky for you. But if you see that like perfect model, perfect like entry, just execute. No matter what will happen. If you like have fear to have a big loss, execute with 1 micro, 2 micros. Don't leave. I mean, you will see me in Discord, so if I need you, you will see me there. One question. So the very first stop. Can you please rephrase your question? I guess I don't really understand this. Tanya is bullish. Probably she wants to see data high, and that's okay. I'm not on this short. So I already said that. I'm not on this short. We're just trying to forward test this together. Never say I'm better than someone, because that's not true. Everyone is different. So please never say this. Yeah, it's not great to compare people because everyone is different. Yeah, I need to call her and we need to have like stream together. She doesn't mind, so I hope we can stream together one day. It's going to be so fun, I guess. I have Russian accent. Can you check CL? You in short or long? Let me know. I will tell you what I see on CL. Long, okay, let me see. You long from 15-minute volume imbalance, probably. It's consolidation. What do you want to see? What level you would like to aim for? Hmm? I would like to see 72.30 from what I can see so far. At the same time, that's funny. Seriously? Lots of people watching me and Tanya at the same time? That's funny. Why? That's funny. Partial now? Yeah, you can partial right now. Why? Because we have measuring gap right here. Nothing wrong with partial like right now. We got measuring gap. Reaction exactly from 50% of this measuring gap. Yeah, on CLs, once again, 72.30 will be nice to see, maybe as conservative level. Where did you enter? Measuring gap is fair value gap at the middle of implied range. So usually it's fair value gap in the middle of the range that you expect to get. And according to ICT, you want to measure from low to the top of this fair value gap right here. And measuring gap projection is going to be like possible final target of market maker model. Oh, you got, you entered a bit risky entry, so it was a little bit late. Still would like to see 72.30. Finding, I have no idea what this prop firm means. I mean, it's Forex prop firm. You're still thinking lower? Yes. I mean, nothing changed. I can even like set partials for you guys if you're still in. So 634.25 another partial. And final target 616. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. No reason to change the bias from nowhere. So partial right here first. So highly recommend to consider partial. Nothing wrong with partials, guys. Especially if you like 50 points in profit. Another partial right here. To be more, yeah, it's right here. And final target, conservative final target. Obviously, we can take this sell side liquidity. Just, I'm like a fan of conservative targets. Aim for this level right here and this level right here. If you're looking for a conservative target, you will get 80 points at any point. Like, it's not bad. So partial right here, you got this. Partial at measuring gap. Next one right here and next one right here. But please make sure to at least one small micro right here at measuring gap. One small micro at measuring gap. A little bit like this. Yeah, better to see. You can add magnets, guys, to try to add magnets. It's going to be faster delivery. It's up to you, so... Yes, I'm aiming for internal range liquidity. Why? Because it's safe. Yeah, maybe I'm going to, normally, maybe I'm going to miss some like 30, 40 points, but I want to be safe. And at this point, safe targets is internal range liquidity. So once again, listen to me. Try to take partial right here. I cannot give you financial advices, but if I can give you friendly recommendation, you want to take partial right here. You really want to do this, like, so bad. You just don't understand this, how bad you would like to take partials at measuring gaps. You can say thank you later, but just do this. No one will tell you this, only me. Because I love you guys. See how we keep closing inside measuring gap. This partial must be taken. Must be taken, guaranteed. Look at this. If I'm going to add magnets right now, it's going to be like speed at this point. But okay, if not like 634.25, 6.625, it's like guaranteed target. You know? Final target, yeah, right here preferably. But I'm going to make it bigger, so partial right here, please. Don't say I didn't say that before. Well, any other important questions? If you want to ask me, can I short right now? No, you cannot. You cannot short at partial level. Forget about this. Never ever in your life. No matter what will happen, partial is a partial. Measuring gap, by the way, if you watch my market maker model video, you should not ask these questions. So I explained what measuring gap is, but I can send you the video. Where is my Google? Just go YouTube. Then you need to go Lumi Traders channel. You need to go to my channel. I'm going to even point you this. If you didn't know for some reason, I have videos right here. And if you just scroll down, you will find some educational content right here. And I guess right here. Oh my god, we have measuring gap explanation. And once you can watch this, you will not have any questions about what this measuring gap is. It's like right here. I even show you how you would like to project this, right? That's amazing. How you want to use projections. And if you watch this, what is measuring gap? Get out of from here, please. I don't want to know you. Okay, another video, also important video, is this one and this one. Right here, I explained a couple of ways to use projections levels. So as you can see, measuring gap is right here. And if you just go, where's my projection for measuring gap? It was backtesting right here. What is measuring gap? So this means we have second video about measuring gap projection. Oh, okay, I got it, don't worry. And last video, so first video about market maker model, a second video about a standard deviation, and last video, that's all you need to know, is about how to build pre-market plan. What is New York Midnight Open? How to trade New York Midnight Open? And what is... Okay, you know what is funny? I'm going to show you right now. What is equilibrium of previous range? And, you know, questions in the comments. Guys, can you read the text right here? It's... Oh, you cannot see this, right? Guys, can you read the text right here? For equilibrium of previous range. So the question, we always measure from midnight to midnight. Question in the comments. We want to measure from midnight to midnight? I'm like, okay, great question. We want to measure from midnight to midnight? No, we don't. We don't want to do this at all. So if it's just another... So I sent two and set third one right here. So yesterday I got the comment like, it was, let me see, let's read this together. I was like, are you serious? Read this comment. So the guy said like, yesterday asked me about why I aimed for daily open, and I said like many times why I was aiming for daily open. So question not about this. The question was, if they tell you everything, how they will sell the courses. Guys, do I sell any courses? What? I sell any courses? What? And like she or he asked me like, can you please spoon feed us with your strategy? Attention, guys, attention. 35 minutes spoon feeding right here. 35 minutes. So these people have time to write this, but don't have time to check YouTube. I'm like, well, that's so smart. Literally, no one on streams explains any strategy as I explain this. With millions confirmation why we should go there, why partial right here. I literally spoon feed you guys. No one is doing this because no one cares about you. But I do care. This is why I do this. But still, I'm like, are you serious? This one, yeah, of course. It's just strange. Okay, let's see what is going on right now. So far we just did trades from this measuring gap. That's why I put this like partial. So I would say as long as we're below this level right here, it still we have a chance to go lower. Yeah. So let's see. Invalidation is going to be above this level right here. Solid reaction from this measuring gap. That's why I said, please take partial, like 10 times. Take partial. So I trade for 3 years. So 3 years. People here for signals. Okay. I mean, I execute in front of your eyes, but I don't want to provide signals if you don't want to understand what I'm going to do. You know, guys, signals may be nice, but we have just one but. The problem is that eventually it will blow your account. Want this or you don't want this, it will happen. So, never follow signals. Try to analyze. You can watch live streams. No partial reverse trade. Try to analyze on your own, but you can obviously watch live streams. Just please take trades based on your analysis. Everyone can be wrong. Lots of people trying to copy other traders who execute in front of eyes. And how many losses did you take because of these streamers? And of course, you want to blame them, not you. Measuring gap. Measuring gap is. I'm going to point to the video, so I'm going to send you the video. What is measuring gap? Not right here, I believe. So it's right. It's by the end of this video, so you can watch this. By the end of the video. Hmm? My glasses, thank you. You may start selling signals soon. Okay. Okay. Why didn't take partial right here? What was the problem? Okay. Targets for I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'm like, we will see after lunch. I have no idea. To subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free, completely free. So, so far from partial, which like wasn't bad, like partial right here, we got 60 points. Reverse from measuring gap, which is typical, by the way, for this. That's why I said partial at measuring gap, like always. Still, I'm going to keep my eyes on these two levels, maybe for PM session. I'm not sure what I'm going to trade in PM session yet. USD trace back to this OB right here. So far, reaction from partial level, but not from final targets. It is what it is. So, lunch for... I need to wait for lunch, guys. I'm going to give you like tip. If I'm going to finish right now, it's going to be like free fall. Immediate drop. But while I'm sitting right here, it's going to be slow. Why? Because it's because of classic picture. Come on, like people even like having so much fun in my comment section. It's not even funny. Like watch yesterday comments was funny. It dropped like immediately once I closed. Immediately. Oh, your grandmother from Belarus too? Wow, that's great. Okay, guys. On Friday, today's Wednesday, right? Wednesday? Yeah. On Friday, we are going to do giveaway. What you think does not matter. I don't know if it's hate or not. Yes, free access to Elite Collection. Exactly. Thank you. It's going to be lifetime subscription. We should not think. Okay. So I'm going to do giveaway. Where's my mouse? 3 lifetime access to Elite Collection indicators. Then I'm going to do one Tradify. I don't remember gross account 100K. I believe. I don't remember for sure. I was prepared all coupon codes, just don't remember. And 2 my funded futures. It's not going to be at the same time. Just 2 this week and 1 next week. No. So it's like partial already, like reversed right here from this partial. We got invalidation above this blue line right here, so no reason to touch this. So reversed from partial. It's okay. This inverse scale, yeah, I told you, like, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Mm-hmm. So nothing, so nothing. On 15-minute chart, we're trying to inspect. It's 5-minute chart. On 5-minute chart, we're trying to inspect, I believe, fair value gap on 15-minute chart. By the way, on 15-minute chart, OB. FX display. You long based on order flow. That's amazing. We have another order flow trader right here. That's great. That's great. So far, probably it wants to take daily open. Let's highlight daily open on our chart. Oops. This looks ugly. Daily open is right here, right? So maybe it wants to take daily open. It's like 70 points away so far. Okay, yes, probably. I'm done for AM session. Daily 6 p.m. open. 6 p.m. open. Data high and daily open is too close. 60 points away. Not that close, but yeah, still, yeah. Watch, guys. I'm going to finish the stream. We will see some speed. I don't know which side, but we will see the speed. Since I'm stream, it's still slow. Classic. Classic. Not going to try to trade AM session anymore. Maybe PM. But AM wasn't bad from what I can see so far. So where was our first trade from here to 774? What level? 7074, I believe. Yeah. That was our first trade that we considered. What level was right? I don't remember. And second trade that we considered right here. I don't remember exactly what target was. Just don't remember. And second trade was right here. So first one play out, second one stop at break. I mean, react from partial level. Which is okay. So in my opinion, today market was nice. This means good day for journaling, good day to try to trade. PM session. I'm going to laugh, guys. If I'm going to finish the stream and it's going to drop right here, it's going to just funny. And that's it. Time to enjoy my lunch. 11:50 marker may offer something, but honestly, like we stuck between two key levels in my just like last note for today. One key level is right here. Ugly color. Let's change to pink. Pink, my favorite color. Pink right here. And find in another level right here. So basically stuck between two levels. I have no idea what will happen right here. You're full? Yes, that's enough. I will see you tomorrow. Guys, if no more questions, bye bye. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Turn it off right here.